sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors, standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
Here's your weather video for this Sunday morning, June the 5th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray, and I am in Orange Beach, Alabama, on the beautiful Gulf Coast of Alabama, where it's a gorgeous morning this morning. And in the tropics, Tropical Storm Alex finally formed in the past few hours, about 275 miles east of the central eastern coast of Florida. The tropical storm has top winds now 50 miles an hour. It could strengthen a little bit over the next day or so as it heads off to the east-northeast and east, passing just north of Bermuda on Monday. Tropical storm conditions are expected on the island on Monday, and that's a beautiful, beautiful place there, much like this place here. Here are the tropical storm force wind probabilities, as you can see, just nicking the northern part of the island there. On Monday, national radar this morning shows a complex of thunderstorms moving through southern Kansas, northern Oklahoma. They're pushing to the east-southeast. We shouldn't have to deal with them, even though in the persistent northwesterly flow like we're in right now with low pressure to our northeast over New England, that's certainly not out of the question. Temperatures across Alabama early this Sunday morning in the lower 60s across the Tennessee Valley, middle 60s in central Alabama, upper 60s to near 70 down in the I-85 corridor. Highs today will be in the upper 80s to near 90. 90s will be fairly widespread across the area, and they will be widespread over the next several days. As you can see, these temperatures off the national blend of models showing summer-like weather. Temperatures between 89 and 93 each day, rising into the middle 90s there as we get into some big high-pressure ridging there in the middle of the following week. Here's the HRRR for later today, showing some scattered showers and thunderstorms over South Alabama. Most of north and central Alabama should be dry, though. This is the GFS. Tomorrow, the model showing just an isolated shower or thunderstorm somewhere. Expect high temperatures again to be right near 90 degrees. On Tuesday, we've got a stationary front sort of setting up camp there to the north of Alabama over southern Tennessee, and that could spell wetter conditions for the Tennessee Valley. As you see, that is even more enhanced on Wednesday. Showers and thunderstorms for the northern third of Alabama. But by Thursday, that system lifts out as an impulse moves through New England, and most of us should be dry. High temperatures in the 90s. By Friday, beginning to get the development of a trough just to the west of our state, and that means more showers and thunderstorms developing in places like Little Rock, St. Louis, into Memphis. But by Saturday, that trough is overhead in Alabama, and that means increasing shower and thunderstorm chances. It may be the only day where we see widespread 80s over the next 2 weeks. Going out toward the end of the forecast period into Voodoo Land here, this is Friday night the 17th, early on the morning of the 18th. Looking like a little possible tropical disturbance there in the western Caribbean. We'll be watching that, but high pressure will be beginning to take control of much of the eastern half of the country. Hot high pressure, that is, and it's going to push a fairly decent backdoor cold front through Alabama and the southeast if this model run holds true. Well, I hope you have a great Sunday today. I'm going to enjoy one last day at the beach before heading home. And until next Sunday, when we get to do this again, as I always tell you, keep an eye to the sky, because you'll always have something fun to look at.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.